Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk's Academic Word of the Week with Mark. The academic word for this week is conflict. Conflict. How many syllables do you think this word has? If you said 2 syllables, you're correct. The first syllable is con, and the second syllable is flict. Conflict. Conflict. Now, where do you think the stress is in the word conflict? Conflict. That's right. It's in the first syllable. So we want to make the first syllable a little bit louder. Conflict. Conflict. Okay, now that we know the pronunciation, let's try to guess the meaning from context. A country that goes to war with another country is in a conflict. When your friend forgets your birthday, you may get bent out of shape and feel conflicted. I am unable to attend that meeting because it conflicts with another one that I have with our partner company. You can pause the video now until you have the meaning. I am unable to attend that meeting because it conflicts with another one that I have with our partner company. You can pause the video now until you have the meaning of the word. So, what meaning did you come up with for the word conflict? Our meaning is a serious disagreement or mismatch. Did you have something similar? If not, go back to the previous slide and try again. Great! Now we have the meaning and pronunciation of the word conflict. The next part that we're going to go over is the grammatical form. For this, read the sentences again and try to figure out what the part of speech is for each of the highlighted words. You can pause the video now if you need more time. Okay, as you can see from the chart below, the word conflict can be a noun. It can also be a verb or an adjective. But notice, the verb form and the adjective form change the stress on the word. So, as a noun, we have conflict. As a verb, we have conflict. The stress changed. Notice this when you're using it in real life. All right, now that you know all about the word conflict, it's your turn to practice. You can start with the question on your screen. How do you fix conflicts? Let us know your answer on social media, and be sure to follow us for our next Academic Word of the Week video. Bye for now.